so good. Here is your table.
Thanks.
Here is your menu.
I want a cold ice cream for dessert. How about you?
Not for me. So I would like to have spaghetti.
Me too.
Sure.
I really love you.
How about a drink?
Great fun.
No. Okay, so you pay for a bill.
Okay, 2 glasses of water, please.
Okay, please wait.
2 spaghetti, 2 spaghetti. The game is over yet. Oh, Mr. Wu. What did he order? 2 spaghetti. Any dessert?
Yes, for ice cream.
Okay, I will use ice cream.
Oh no, the ice cream. I'm sorry.
Let's enjoy. Let's enjoy. Yes, can I have a bill, please?
Here's the bill.
What is this? Gold ice cream?
Oh, it's mine.
3 million?
Okay, I will pay for it.
This number. We will reach now.
For the day?
Ah!